Welcome back to a new episode, fam. Welcome back to the Comer Garage. In today's episode, we're gonna replace the windshield on the G35. It's currently cracked. It has a big crack all the way through the windshield. It's been on the G35 honestly for the past 3-4 years. Recently, in the last few days, last few weeks, it actually got bigger and the crack expanded. And you know, it's about time. We definitely want to make sure we keep the G35 looking good and up to standard. So my homie, he has his own company. He does window tinting, best window tint that you can get around. Honestly, does an amazing job. Great prices as well. And he also does windshield replacements with one of his partners, and they're pulling up right now so we can get the G35 fixed up. Let's get it. Right here we got auto glass. We got Elias right here. He's gonna do the replacement for the G35. We got the brand new windshield. Looks nice. And he's gonna actually go ahead and remove the pillars, the A pillars from the G35, and we'll see how the installation goes. Stay tuned. So we got the windshield out. It was really cool, really fast with the right tools. Now we're gonna scrape down all the grommets and the glue residue. Make sure the area is nice and clean. So this is how the G35 looks without our windshield. You guys can see the actual bare bones almost of the car. We do have a sticky dash. We're gonna see what we can do with it, but yeah, there's not much you can do, I think. But we're gonna try different things to fix this up. But yeah, man, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty clean. Our boy Elias is killing it. Now we're prepping the new windshield, put in the new rubber, and so we can put new glue, new sealant, everything so the new windshield can lock in place. My boy one-handed that. You saw that? Here's a look, boys. This is how the windshield's looking so far. It's looking really nice, man. The car looks completely brand new because it is brand new. Our boy Elias aligned it as you guys saw in the video. He put the tape so the windshield doesn't move while he's putting the A-pillars back, and make sure the glue and everything sits in place, and you know the windshield stays in its location. But look, it looks really nice. Elias killed it. He's so fast with it, so it looks good. Here's how the windshield looks. Brand new. We don't have that crack anymore. A last look of the windshield. Looks really good. He said to live this for about a day and then just remove it, but we're just gonna store it back in the garage and we should be good. Well fam, that's gonna be all for today's episode. If you guys enjoyed this episode, make sure you guys hit the like button down below, subscribe, and make sure to comment down below what's the next mod we're gonna do for the G35. We got something special, gonna look awesome. So make sure to stay tuned to find out what happens to the G35 in the next episode of the Comer Garage. Peace out.